What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it, but before I do, I just want to let you all know that this video, previous videos, and all videos in the future are for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to do any of these things. I'm not telling you to follow these things. I'm just literally explaining to you all and educating you all on what other people are doing and just things that are going on in the world in general. Okay. Now, today I want to talk to you guys about the importance of number one, doing your due diligence. Okay. Number two, following up. And number three, I want to talk to you about language. Okay. Because when you're dealing with the credit bureaus, when you're dealing with different creditors and things like that, it's important that you know different language. It's important that you know that not only does things update, but things get better. Okay, so as we marinate in this space more and more, there are different tactics and different things that we kind of figure out that goes on that will allow you to do different things a little faster and a little more effective. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys today about like the personal update form. Okay, a lot of you guys hit me up and say, hey, I need the form, blah, 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 right? And that's cool. You already know you send me the email, I'll go ahead and send you the form right over. But once you get that form, okay, you want to make sure that the credit bureaus get that form. All right. You don't want to just get it and then send it one time. All right. A lot of times what I do is I'll send that every 10 days for a month straight, just to make sure that they got the letter. It isn't necessary for you to send it priority mail, but you can literally just send every 10 days, boom, 3 times a month, right? For 1 month, and just do your due diligence. Continue to follow up. That way you know for sure that it is done, all right? It's just a little sheet of paper. It's very easy. Just keep following up, okay? Also, when you're doing disputes and things like that, make sure you're following up on those disputes. All right. Now, a lot of times the credit bureaus, like I said, they're cracking down. Therefore, when we're in a recession and things are getting strict, everything is tight. So you need to push forward. You need to push through in order to get through. All right. It's mandatory. If you just send 1 round of letters or just maybe even 2 rounds of letters, all right, there's no guarantee for each and every person. So you want to make sure that you're sending 3, 4 different rounds, right? And language is key. All right, language is key. Making sure that you have the correct proprietary letters, making sure that you have the correct softwares that are generating the right letters that creates the language that the credit bureaus speak. All right, if any of you all work or if any of you all are in a certain business, you understand that you all have a different language when it comes to things than the regular consumer. Okay, if you're in the sports world, or if you're in the medical field, or whatever it is that you do, you all have a certain language, certain abbreviations to where that is that particular industry's language. Okay, so the same with the credit bureaus. You want to speak their language. All right, you don't speak to your grandmother the same as you speak to your brother. You don't speak to your brother the same way you speak to your daughter, right? You don't speak to your daughter the same way you speak to your son. You don't speak to your son the same way you talk to your boss or your coworkers, right? So language is key. You want to make sure that you can deliver the right language to get the right things off. And with that being said, a lot of you all ask me, hey, somebody did my credit and may have gotten removed, and it was placed back on there. All right. Now, if that was the case, then 9 times out of 10, and this is a gem right here, so please be listening, and not only with this, but just with all or everything that you're asking or demanding as well, okay? Because you have the right over your credit report. You have the say so, contrary to belief, okay? So when you're doing certain things, when you're sending out your letters, you want to make sure that your letters do not say remove the debts. Okay, I'm going to say this once again. You want to make sure that your letters do not say remove the debts, because if you remove something, you can do what? you can place it back on there. Okay, so you need your debts or you need your late payments deleted. You need them deleted. All right, no removals, only deletions. Okay, language is key. It's very, very important, because if you ask for it to get it deleted, or if you demand to get it deleted, guess what? It's gone forever. All right, a removal, I can simply remove it and place it back on there. All right, so language is key. Make sure you understand what you're doing. And if you don't, get a professional to do it. Get someone that you trust to make sure that you will be able to move a step forward to whatever success looks like to you. Okay, that's very important. I wish you all the best. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. Make sure you guys check the description if you want to hit me up, if you want to join my OnlyFans, different things like that. Make sure you check the description, get all of the contact details, and everybody, let's go up.